Hello people, welcome to my video of the iPhone 5s. It's my first video I've ever made. It may be upside down, but anyhow, here it is. I'm just leaning it on a TV so you can see it. As I don't have a holding camera. So you can see it's a 5s. Yeah, so just gently open that up. Leave it here so you can see what I'm doing exactly. In fact, I'll zoom it in a bit more. Just here it is. Here's the bit tricky. First time. I'm not a Apple fan, by the way. Previously had the Sony Z1 and the S4. Yes, yes, the iPhone there. Okay. It's a gold version. That is the handset. Yeah, as you can see, gold handset. Inside is instruction manuals, the earphones, charger, and a mini USB. Just gonna see all the gadgets are here. Okay. Obviously now, what I do is, not really sure, but